Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Imani and you are watching Faith by Design. I'm so excited. Today we are stuffing my home binder, my favorite binder to stuff. We have the Larry TKO challenge that we'll be using to fill these envelopes. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please keep watching. This challenge that we are doing to finish this up is the Larry TKO challenge. It says, friends, don't let friends fight cancer alone. So this challenge was created by Hands and Bands, and I'll definitely make sure to leave it below. I do believe this is still on her Etsy. We are going to stuff $65 today in this challenge, and I think that'll be finishing it up. So let's go ahead and get started. I have all of my 5s, and then I also have a 10 here. So we're gonna start with, I think last time we did this, we started at 1. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know that I normally will roll the dice to determine what envelope gets stuffed. But we are using the scratch off just as another fun way to stuff these envelopes. And last time we started at 1, but this time I want to start in the middle. We're going to start with repairs. So we have 6 envelopes here, and let me go through them quickly. We have household, furniture, repairs, utilities, maintenance, and renovation. If you see a number next to them, that is what I use when I roll the dice from 1 to 6 to determine what envelope gets the money. But for now, we're not going to worry about the numbers. We're just going to start at 3 and scratch off. So let's get started. All right. We are going to go with the left side. And we have 9. So repairs will get $9. And I also wanted to let you all know that I did print off these trackers that I'll be using in my envelopes. I made these with Canva and I had fun making these, but yeah, so this will just help us keep track of what we're saving. So we have maintenance, we have electric, we have repairs, water, bathroom reno. I have 2 of these, so I'll put one back here. And as we roll, I will put the envelopes in the right place. So we'll keep those up here. So repairs, and each of these little repair hands will be worth $25. And I have it on the back, save $25 times 14 is 14 hands, and we'll be saving $350. So we scratched off 9, and that means we're gonna round up, so it could be 10 since I have 5s and a 10 here. So we'll try to round to the nearest 10 or 5. So we'll be stuffing $10 into repairs. And let's see if we can color anything. Let me get another color. So I have these 2 colors here, and we're going to just use those today. So repairs has 20. Oh, actually, let's wait to the end, right? Yeah. Act like I didn't do this before. So we're going to just wait to the end to see what we can color in. So repairs got 10. And let's go ahead and scratch this one. And this will go to the next envelope, which is utilities. So I scratched a 14, so utilities will get 15. So 5, 10, and 15. And I do have a tracker for utilities, which right now it'll be electric. That's what I'll be using to get basically a month ahead, or to save for the highest bill that we have. But we're gonna save $400. So that way, at the end of the cycle, if our bill continues to creep up, we'll have enough saved. And eventually we'll try to just get 1 month ahead for each bill, and then continue to stuff like another bill, which will be water, which you see here. So for now, we'll do electric, and I'll put this water tracker away until we get to that bill. So 15, yep. I was rambling and forgot what I was doing. So that's what we are using that for. Okay, let's go ahead and scratch another one. So we scratched 10, and we're going to put that in maintenance. I keep forgetting to turn the envelopes before I scratch. So maintenance will get 10, and this is our tracker for maintenance, and that's each icon is worth $25. I don't know if this is a refrigerator or a furnace or something, but I just thought it was fitting. I don't know why. Save $25, it's 16 icons, and you'll have $400 at the end. So that's that. Let's go ahead and scratch another Larry. Okay. And again, that $15 is for renovation. So 5, 10, and 15. And I decided that we're going to use this money to start saving for our bathroom renovation. Let's see. I think we're going to scratch that one. 10. Okay, so we're back at the beginning. Household is going to get 10. And we do have trackers already for household, and this tracker is from Dee's Digital World, and I will link her Etsy shop below. So each house is worth $25, and we'll be saving $350 to go towards our household items that we need to purchase. So this is the last amount, and I hope it equals 5. If not, we messed something up. It does. Wow. $5 on the dot. All right. So $5. These are very good quality, by the way. Like, I don't know how she was able to make these scratch offs in the shape of Larry, but I'm impressed. She did a really good job with that. So, of course, I didn't move the envelopes. So furniture is the one that gets $5. And this also is from Dee's Digital World, this tracker. So let's go ahead and add it up, Get my calculator in case we need it, and my pen. So we have $10 that we saved with the scratch off today. And so now we have in household 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. So I don't think we can color in anything. Almost. We'll be able to, in $5 more, we'll be able to color in another house. So $75. And I was looking for the tracker. It's right here. So today, I think it's the 4th. So $10, $70 into household. Wait, oh, I was like, why is there a 5 somewhere? It got stuck to the back. All right, so we saved $5 in furniture. And now furniture has 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. $80 in furniture, and each icon is worth $50. And we'll be saving $500 total once this is complete. All right, now we have $10 in repairs. So repairs now has 20, 40, 60, 80. Let's start again. Repairs has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100. Wow, look at that. We've saved $100 so far in repairs. Let's see, can we color anything? We can. We can color 4 of these. So I'll be right back. All right, so $4, 4 of these equals $100. So $100 it is. That's awesome. I'm trying to think. Yeah, tracker comes first. Okay. That's exciting. These repairs can be quite expensive. All right, next up is utilities. Today, utilities got $15. So let's go ahead and add that here. So utilities should have $70. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75. Wait. Did I do that right? I didn't. Yes, I did. Let's count again. 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. I just can't count. That's what it is. $70. So we can color in 3 of these electric bulbs. All right, making progress. Next up is maintenance. Maintenance got 10 today. And let's see, maintenance should have 24, oh my goodness, y'all. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. What did I say maintenance got? 10. Yes. Let's count it just one more time. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And we can color in 2 of these refrigerator looking thingies. Don't know exactly what these are, but I don't know. I know we do need our refrigerator maintained at some point because it's starting to leak. And my husband said we need to drain something in the back, a line or something. We haven't done it yet so far, but we've just been mopping the water up, but we need to do that soon. And I think he can do that, so. And we recently had to get a new heating element for our dryer. We ordered it from Amazon, but we didn't take it out these envelopes because of course I'm trying to build it up. So I don't like taking it out until I reach my goal, and then hopefully we'll start using some of this money, but he was able to fix that as well. So shout out to hubby. All right, and last but not least is renovation. Renovation got 5, 10, 15. So renovation has $20, $40, $60, $65, $70, $75, $80. Renovation has $80. That's great, because we definitely, I cannot wait for the day we can start doing this. So we should be able to color in a bathtub sometime soon. I'm excited about that. It's going to take us a while to get there, but every little bit helps. Even if down the line we have some of the savings, if not all of it, we still have something, right? Okay, so we're all set, and we have completed the Larry TKO challenge. Again, you can find this on Hands and Bands Etsy shop, and it's saving $125, and it's for a great cause. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, you all take care, be blessed, have a safe and happy November, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.